Hi Foxes. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use BIKIAK to help you with scaling problems. So BIKIAK stands for because I know this, I also know. So because I know, I also know. So we just turn the camera around and have a look here. So if you were to see 2 times 30, then we can use 2 times 3 to help us because we know 2 times 3. So this is what 2 3s look like. There's a 3 and there's a 3. So it's very easy to see 2 times 3. 3 and 3, that's 6. So that's nice and easy. So 2 30s, 30 meaning 3 10s, there's 3 10s, and there's 3 10s. It's the same. It's just 10 times bigger. The question's 10 times bigger, so the answer will be 10 times bigger. So I had 3 1s and 3 1s, which made 6 1s. Now I've got 3 10s and 3 10s, which makes 6 10s. So 2 30s would be 60. So because I know 2 3s are 6, I also know 2 30s are 60. And that can just keep working all the way up. You can keep scaling it up. So you also can then say, well, what about if I had 2 lots of 300? There's 300s and there's 300s. So the question would look like this. The 3 is now in hundreds column, so it represents 100. 2 lots of 300 makes 6 hundreds. So the question this time is 100 times bigger. So the answer this time would be 100 times bigger. So we're using 2 times 3 to help us. 2 times 3 is 6. And these zeros are telling me that the question is 10, 100 times bigger. And so the answer is 10 times bigger and then 100 times bigger. So you can use known facts to help you with a problem that looks a little bit trickier. Okay, so I'm just going to talk you through one of those again. What if we had 50 times 3? Okay, so you look at that number and you think, well, I don't know my 50s, but you do know 5 times 3. 5 lots of 3 would be 15. 50 lots of 3, the question's 10 times bigger, and so the answer's 10 times bigger. Some of you are going to go for the beyond level, so I'll just show you what happens if you have a go at the beyond level. Say you had 20 times by 30 this time. Again, we're looking for the easy fact in there, which is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. The question is 10 times bigger here and another 10 times bigger here. So we make the answer 10 times bigger and then we times the answer by 10 again, making it 600s altogether. Now, an easy way to think of this is just by looking at the zeros and adding the zeros on. But it's important to know that what we've actually done isn't just adding zeros randomly. It's recognising, going back here, that 2 lots of 3 1s make 6 1s, but 2 lots of 3 hundreds would make 6 hundreds. So it's understanding that those numbers can be scaled up. Okay. Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense to you. Good luck with your task today, Fox class.